ka Committee on Environment jong ka yen robar thau ang ka jela ha si thau dien jong ka yo kala lumi ka jingialang ha conference hall jong ka MLA hostel bat ki he officer jong ka tanat sarkar bat ki bor sipai ban ya keren ha ka bay day ba ka jing penjabo ya ka wa sherpi ka Elephants Falls bat ka wa yam ya kani ka jingialang la penya da chairman jong ka Committee on Environment ba SK Sun ha ka ba le don lang ki dukhot jong ka committee ki balaya taisani halor ka jing berat nyut pathar sikiwa uba asun ha bai kiran bikinong pathai ku board laong ba ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala IT ka kaipot bat syam badai ki sipai ling sun bat katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ki bala don benta ha ka ban pentu iki jabo syaka Elephants Fall bat kumta labat ha ye kisipai baki di benchna mardor kinala bat kumju e katnat veterinary bakanum pentut ya ka masi syakani ka jaka jungok kai bala ai por ban pendep ya kani jing tha hapo si benai nakaliang uba HM sang pliang ulo ong ba ka committee haba bisa re ka jing ujor jong ka HNYF halo ka jing berat nyut kisipai sawa serpi nakaliang ka Chief Executive Officer CEO jong ka Cantonment Board kala kubur bakala don ka jing berat nyut pathar bat kala kular hakmat joko komiti banam syasu ban berat nyut hakani kecaka nalor kani uloong ha kabayede ba kajing jabo jongko yam uba sang pliang uloong ba labetha ya ka MECL bat katanat penmi boarding baki de ban penkhut ya kani kawa bat ki deiru ban pha ya kajing terwa sa sarkar India na ka bantaban yo ada ka scheme ban le kani ka kam uloong ba ka komiti kala panru ika kaipot na katanat forest bat ka de ban ai ka jing tep ki batikna bat ki bapura halo ka jing trikam jo ki karkhana od dieng ki badan ha yam hamtam haba ki penpau ba ki yo ki dieng ki balami tang na ka than ri bhoi uba sang pliang uloong ba ki don arpun ri tli ki karkhana od dieng ha ka ni ka than bat ka long ka belengo ba ki ni ki karkhana ken trikam tang da ka ba yo ki dieng na ka than ri bhoi uloong ba ka komiti ka kwaru ban penbena ya ka dam mau plang kum ka natural wetland bat ikajing don kam baniada na kajing penjabo ekanika wa shwa bakan kela kum ka wa yam
and then we told the MSB officials from the power department also that to accept the fact that the reservoir is highly silted not only with silt with garbage and then think of a solution so that everybody will join hand to have a solution to that problem for the future of our generation. And so far the meeting was very, very successful and everybody has taken it very positively, right from Air Force to Shillong Cantonment Board, to CEO, to the Health and Family Welfare Department, to everybody. And we are very, very happy with the outcome of today's meeting.
CEO jong ka Cantonment Board ikong kendia ila pensisha bat ila pensha yong bakade ila kubur bakala don kum kata ka jing nyut bat ila airu ya ka commitment ha ka committee ba an khangno ya kata ka jaka bret nyut bat omsha yano ino ban let ban bret nyut hangte sherpi andang ya na kalenti kamtam ka laimer new mayor stay new iwa step lane janmiet ki boss bat ki kali truck lani ki kali yo ki ju penmi ki kedam ki bayong adu ki babot ki kali nadien ro ki matla sendan te kani ngila banjur ha ka pollution board bat kumju ka transport department bat ki police department ba ki dei ban le ai marmar ban pensange ya kani ka jing kawang ya kini ka jing pelaj tedam bayong na kini ki kali kendo de namar kata kadau nila mahamjur naka komiti jungi ya ka urban affairs department baka de bakan shina ya ki incinerator immediately nila review ru ya ki hospital baki de bakin don ya ki ETP effluent treatment plant de kumbang itip mangi jan baro ki hospital private ki don ya ki ETP jongki nangta ki hospital sarkaru ki labun ki bladon te ngiyo ya ka commitment naka health department ba menta usnem kin penrung kat bala bat kat badang sa kita ki PHC CHC badan ha state Brokaway ba kin yo no ya kata ka ETP ka bangi khot ka effluent treatment plant